tabs is what we're talking about this time around. Right now your website doesn't have any pages that are utilizing this. It's another feature we've added for your benefits. If you can find ways to use it, it's going to help enhance the look and interactivity of the particular site. So right now, just not enough content to really do anything with it. But at some point, I would think you'll be able to use that. So with that said, you should remember something along these lines that we had in the demo. And then with the tabs, that would change and click and show different information. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I'm probably going to start kind of going in reverse order. We have a section called tabs, but I'm going to come back to that, to actually inserting this into the page, and then working our way back into editing and making and creating tabs that we can use throughout the site. So right now we have test tab page, which is just this little dummy page that we have set up in the back end. And if I open this, I'll see some dummy text with my title, and then I see this little mumbo jumbo thing here, this little I guess basic HTML. This right here is what's allowing this to show up, and it's really simple to use. Let me go ahead and delete this out. So what I do is I put my arrow, my cursor wherever I want to insert the tabs at. I click this lock, which I'm going to change down the road. I just haven't gotten to it yet. It's a lock, which clearly doesn't make sense, but that's neither here nor there. Click the lock and get a dialog box. And first, what we want to do is the little gray field. That's this. What do we want to call it? So something like the Blackhawk Advantage. That's our title. And then these tabs are all the tabs that we've created. And like I said, I'm working from the front and then going back as vice versa. And we'll do a complete circle around. So this video is probably going to be possibly a little bit longer than normal. So what we want to do is choose the tabs we want to show up. So when I come back here, I see that I have two tabs, what we offer and the advantage. Those are our two tabs. So I can actually choose all three of these and click insert. Here is our tabs. This is the code that makes the tab happen. So if I update, I should see this title change as well as a third tab be added. Blackhawk Advantage. And there's our third tab. Alright. So you can actually insert this into multiple pages, as many as you want, and as well as create as many tabs as you want and actually intertwine them. So let me go to the tab section, which is here. And we'll see every tab we've created up to this point, which is only 3. So if you need to create, let's say you're going to do a tab for services, for instance, and let's just call brokers. And where are we? Just want to grab some text real quick. So this is the brokers tab. Copy this. All right. If I want to do a title, which actually I do. Let's see. Just something real quick. Our title, our brokers. Give it a, let's see, an H2 tag. Publish. Featured image. This is the icon that goes. I guess I need the demo real quick. That goes. I went too far. Let me see here. Test. There we are. Featured image is the icon, so you want to upload a small little icon that's going to show up right next to this. If you don't upload an icon, there's just no icon, so it's up to you whether you want one or not. But it looks kind of nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that. I'm just gonna grab one we already have. Let's see. Let's do this thing right here. Use as featured image. Update. Let me go ahead and do another one real quick. We got what they call them, investors. Is that what? Investors. Perfect. Copy the text for that. Call this one investors. Paste the text in. get my little icon set up. Click show for the clock, featured image, publish. Okay, so now if I go back to the all tabs section, I'm going to see these two new ones that I've added. We have these these 5 total tabs. All right. So let's go back to the test tab page, and I'm going to delete out tabs that we have there now. Click the icon. Title goes here. Now we'll see that I have the 2 ones I just added. So now I have a total of 5. So see what's going on here? As you add these tabs, you can choose them to make a section, a tab section. So I can actually just choose all or not choose any of them, or just one if I want. But we'll just go ahead and choose all of them. Click insert. Update. Whoops. And then if I do a view page right here, I'll see now that I have 5 total tabs. Investors, brokers are the new ones, and then so forth and so forth. You can add images into this thing too if you need to. So remember in the other tutorials where we had like images floating in here, we could do that. We do a lot of different stuff with those tabs and create different tabs for different sections. Okay, that will do it.